everyone! So, ngayon gagawa tayo ng conditional statement. I am Lorraine Alveduya from BSIS 1A and this is our project in CC 102, Fundamental of Programming. So, here's our two objectives of this program flow. So, una is we're gonna discuss the Java selection condition structure and then explain natin if yung solution using different conditional statement. So, let's start! So, ngayon, control structure, it allows us to change the order of how the statement in our program are executed. So, meron tayong two types of control structure, which is decision control structure and repetition control structure. So, sa decision control structures natin is dito gagamit tayo. So, meron siyang three types, which is the if statement, if-else statement, and if-else-if statement. So, dito gagamit tayo ng tatlong yan sa decision control structures. Ngayon, if statement, ito yung nag-handle ng isang condition. Condition expression, it's either does something or nothing. So, dito, ang ibig sabihin is, yung if statement natin is, kung this is true, kung ito ay true, then, ipiprint niya yung statement. And then, kung it is false, is hindi mag-execute yung code or lalagpasan niya yung code. So, I have here an example of if statement. In this example, ang ginamit kong is yung Java compiler. So, dito kung nakikita nyo, if, then yung condition, then yung statement. Kung nakikita nyo dito is yung age is less than equals to 13. So, if it's false, hindi siya magpiprint. I mean, walang mag-execute na code. Pero kapag it's true, ang ipiprint niya is hello world. Let's proceed in if-else, guys. So, dito, it handles two conditional expression, which is true or false. It's either first code block or the second code block. So, kapag yung first code block is tama, ipiprint niya yung first code block. And then, kapag naman yung first code block is mali, and then the second code block is true, which is ayun yung ipiprint niya. So, if kapag true and else kapag false. So, let's try the example. Ang if natin ay ang age natin, ang value is 18. So, ang if natin is, ang condition ng if natin is age is less than equal to 21. Then, system out print line the adult. Then, kapag else naman, kapag false naman yung statement natin or yung condition natin is, ayan, nagka-error. Mali yung, yung system. So, ayun nga, let's continue. Kapag nga, kapag true yung if, is ang magpiprint is yung adult. Kapag naman false yung condition, ang magpiprint is yung else. Ngayon, let's proceed sa nested if. So, sa nested if is an if statement that is the target of another if or else. Nested if statement means an if statement inside an if statement. Yes, Java allows us to nest if statement. Within if statement, we can place an if statement inside another if statement. So guys, from the word or nakikita nyo sa definition na we can place an if statement inside another if statement. So, paano siya mag-execute? Paano ba siya mag-execute? Ngayon, in the first if and then condition 1, so kapag nag-true yan, mag-execute yung another if statement, condition 2. Kapag nag-true din yun, saka mag-execute yung ipiprint niya. Gets? So, let's try the example para mas maintindihan natin kung ano nga ba yung nested if. So, let's go. Ngayon, as you can see, our variable is age and the value is 18. So, if condition na yan is, yung first part is, kapag yan ay false, hindi na siya mag-a-add sa another condition, which is, wala na siyang i-run na anything, blanco lang, or hindi mag-execute yung code. Kapag naman both if is true, ipiprint niya yung statement. Ang daming error. Walang boolean and kulang ako ng semicolon. Ayan. So, let's try. See, 'di ba? Kahit tama yung yung condition 1, hindi nag-print. Pero yan is, so, yun lang guys. Ngayon, we're gonna proceed in if, else, if statement. So, ito yung if, else, if statement. Ngayon, kung sa if natin is nag-handle lang siya ng one conditional expression, sa if else naman natin nag-handle siya ng two conditional expression, dito naman sa if else if natin is nag-handle siya ng three conditional expression. The possible of the statement are limitless if we'll run a certain code block based on the condition. So, dito, kahit madaming else if condition ang i-run natin, is okay lang. If, else, if statement. So, kung sa if statement natin is nag-handle siya ng one conditional expression, sa if else natin is nag-handle siya ng two conditional expression, sa if else if natin is nag-handle siya ng three or more conditional expression. So, ngayon, dito kahit madami kayong block of condition, block of else if, so, ayun, kahit madami kayong condition na need yung solusyonan, is dito yon sa if, else, if statement. So, let's try the example.